morning. Today we have discussed about the lesson 3 bones and muscles. And you know that in previous online class I have revised some other topics like skeletal and type parts of skeleton. But in this video we have discussed about the joints, type of joints, muscles and types of muscles. But before that we have discussed about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First see the homework. Student, as you know that I have given homework on 7th August. Homework lesson 3 bones and muscles. Learn, choose the correct answer of lesson 3. I hope you have learned, choose the correct answer of lesson 3 in proper way, and I hope you have revised other exercise also. Okay, and in comment box you have write name, class and section for your attendance. Okay students, see here lesson 3 bones and muscles. Today we have discussed about the joint. First topic is joint. A place where two bones meet is called joint. Where two bones meet and that place is called joint. Joints can be movable and immovable. Means some joints are joints are fixed, can be fixed, or movable, can move. First, immovable joints. Immovable joints found in our skull. In our skull, immovable or fixed joints found. Their bones are joined together with fixed joints. Only lower jaw can move. Okay. Now movable joints. Movable joints, you know that movable means such joints can move. Movable joints are covered with a strong tissue. Movable joints covered with strong tissue, and this strong tissue is called cartilage, which prevent the bones rubbing against each other. Means you know, suppose this is two bones and two bones connected by the cartilage. What? Cartilage, strong tissue, cartilage, which prevent bones rubbing against each other. Okay, next are types of joints. Types of movable joints. On the basis of joints, there are 4 types of joints: ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, and gliding joint. First, ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joints are found in hip and shoulder joint, in hip and shoulder, and one end is just like ball shape and other are just like this shape, ball and socket. This is a socket and this is a ball. This type of joints is called ball and socket joints, and this is ball and socket joints found in hip and also in shoulder joint. Next, hinge joint. Hinge joint work just like a door hinge. Okay, found in elbow and knee joint. In elbow and knee joints, hinge joints found. Next, pivot joint. It is found in the neck. In pivot joint found in neck, and neck around move in semicircle. Semicircle means just like this way. Suppose this is a semicircle, this way. Okay. Next, pivot joints, clear or not? Next, gliding joint. Gliding joints are found in ankle and wrist joints. In ankle and wrist, gliding joint are found. Now next topic is ligament. What is ligament? You know that all joints have ligaments. All joints are have ligaments, and you know that ligaments are the strong and tough fiber. Ligaments are strong, tough fiber which hold bones together at the joints. Means they connect the two bones. Okay, they connect the two bones, hold together. Two bones hold together, and these are called ligaments. Next topic is muscles. You know that for movement, bones cannot move with on. They need muscles to move. Okay, our bones cannot move on their own. They need muscles to move them. Okay, with the help of muscles, bones can move. Without muscles, cannot move. Okay, muscles are made of a tough elastic tissue which connected to the bones to get bones by strong fiber tendons. You know that muscles are made of tough elastic tissue which are connected to the bones. You know that here differences between the tendons and ligament. Ligament connects two bones, but tendons connect muscles to the bones. Okay, there are near about 650 muscles in our body. How many muscles? 650 muscles. Type of muscles on the basis of structure. Muscles are three types: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. First, skeletal muscles. The skeletal muscles lie between the skin and the bones. Skeletal muscles lie situated are found in the between skin and the bones. Skeletal muscles have voluntary movement. Voluntary movement means that it means skeletal muscles can move at our will. Means हम जैसा चाहेंगे वैसा उसको मूव करा सकते. That move our will, and such type of muscles are called voluntary muscles. What? Voluntary muscles. Skeletal muscles are used in running, walking, laughing, and eating. Skeletal muscles used in running, walking, laughing, and eating. Next is smooth muscles. Smooth muscles found in the wall of the intestine and wall of the stomach, and these muscles work their own, so these are involuntary muscles. You know that involuntary muscles found in smooth muscles, okay, and voluntary muscles found in the skeletal muscles. Last, cardiac muscles. You know the cardiac muscles found in our heart. I repeat again. See, joints, a place where two bones meet is called joints. Okay, joints can be movable and immobile joints. Okay, immobile joints in our skull. Immobile joints found. Movable joints are four types. So you know that and they are connected with the cartilage. Okay, types of movable joints: ball and socket, hinge joints, pivot, and gliding. Ball and socket joints found in hip and shoulder joint. Hinge joints found in elbow and knee joint. Pivot joint found in neck, and gliding joint found in ankle and wrist. In ankle joint and wrist joints, gliding joints found. Okay. On the ligament, all joints have ligaments. Ligaments are the strong and tough fiber which hold the bones together at the joints. Ligaments joints two bones. Okay, and here cartilage between the bones rubbing against each other. Here muscles in our body, near about 650 muscles are found, and here tendons muscles connect to the bones with the help of tendons. And type of muscles: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles found between the skin and the bones, and these muscles are voluntary muscles, means that is skeletal muscles can move at our will. Next, smooth muscles found in wall of stomach and wall of intestine, and these muscles are involuntary muscles. Cardiac muscles found in our heart, and you know that in our heart involuntary muscles found. Now all students, you have take a copy and pen. Now write down the homework of lesson 3, date 8th August. Learn exercise of lesson 3. Means you have learned all exercise of lesson 3. Means learn MCQ, choose the correct answer, take the correct word, fill in blanks, give one word for the following, unscramble the following words, and match the following also in proper way. Okay, and also you have revised all lessons, all exercise of lesson 1, 2 and 3.